what are your thoughts on Ninja's recent rant about aim assist for controller players? You know, Hefe goes on these rants and shit where he just gets a little crazy. I don't care, man. To each their own, you know. That motherfucker can have his opinions if he wants. I don't care. Truly, couldn't care any less. Anybody with a brain, man, they know that controller players, in the grand scheme of things, are at a huge disadvantage when it comes to the game of Fortnite, man. If you guys think that because of aim assist and the recent changes to the building, if anybody thinks that we're now at an advantage, I don't know. I don't understand you guys, you know? I think there's a lot of people that just don't play at that level. I mean, no offense to Hefe, but he don't play in any of the big tournaments, you know? So if maybe he should play in a couple tourneys and really see what it's like, because it's just not the same, man. The way these pro PC players move and how fast they can do things. Yeah. I don't care if you're Aiden, I don't care if you're Gronky, I don't care if you're me, I don't care who the fuck you are as a controller player in the scene. There's only so much that we'll ever be able to do to be able to keep up with that.
Alright, just let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready, dude.
Alright, let's go on 7.
7 up, dude.
Oh, I Harry Potter myself, you son of a bitch. What? Oh, you psycho. You're nuts. You're insane. You are insane. Fuck.
I didn't do shit.
Dude, I Harry Potter myself. First 90. 8.
Right.
It wouldn't let me put a floor. Oh no, it wouldn't let me put a floor. What do you mean? I'm good. I'm coming back up, don't worry. Whoa! Dude, I threw it so hard.
Dude, what the frick are you, dude?
Oh, suck my peen, dog. Oh, he's so fucking lucky, dude.
Yo, lock, dude, lock.